Hello, Year 6. I hope you're well. On behalf of Mr. Smith and myself, here is week 2 of your work on sound and light. You will have this booklet downloaded or printed. It was your choice, still your choice, what you want to do. And you'll remember last week we did week 1, we did our keywords, and you should have investigated sound. Thank you for all your replies and all your screenshots and things that you sent me. Much appreciated. I can obviously see how you did with the little test that you did, and I'll be setting you another one later today. So this week's topic, the success criteria we're going to cover. We're going to continue describing sounds, but this time focus more on loudness. You need to be able to name the parts of the ear, so we'll be watching a video and labeling parts of the ear and how you can measure loudness. And I'll show you how you can do that a bit later. So the focus today is hearing and deafness. You will turn to page 6 in your booklet, whether it's a paper version, you print it out, or whether you want to do it online. It's entirely up to you. And you're going to label the parts of the ear. I think before you do that, the best thing to do, I've sent you a link to this, is a brilliant video by the BBC called How Your Ear Works Inside the Human Body. Worth watching, only a few minutes long, but a really, really interesting program. So if you want to pause this video now and watch that one, then come back. Okay, we're now going to label the parts of the ear. On the outside of the ear flap is scientifically known as the pinna. And inside, the tube going into your ear is called the ear canal, and that goes all the way to your eardrum inside your ear, which is a tiny thin piece of skin which vibrates when things make a sound. Inside of the ear is the cochlea, you'll learn about more later, and the auditory nerve, which takes a signal to the brain. There are semicircular canals on this diagram, which are not to do with hearing, but to do with your balance. And the smallest bones in your body are the ear bones, which are the anvil, stirrup, and hammer. So now you've done that, at the top of this page, you'll see at the bottom we've got 6 steps of how we hear sound. I'm going to go through the 6 steps and you can write them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first of all, the sound waves are collected by the earlobe or the pinna. Number 2, they travel along the ear canal. And 3, it makes the eardrum vibrate back and forth. And number 4, the small bones in the middle ear amplify the vibrations, pass it through. And that is then taken to the cochlea, which turns the vibrations into electrical signals. And then this signal is then an electrical signal taken to the brain through the auditory nerve. So if you'd like to pause the video and label those 6 steps. So the second topic for today is about loudness, obviously affecting your ear. And I'd like you to watch this 4-minute video called What's the Loudest Possible Sound? And it talks about how you get loud sounds and how you can measure it. So if you pause this video and watch that one on my YouTube channel. Okay, you should now have page 7 in your booklet, whether electronically or paper. And I'd like you to think of the 6 different things I've listed here, how you would make a louder sound, and write those or type those in. And then underneath, explain how loud sounds can damage your ears. A bit of research may be needed. And the next task would have been in the classroom, would have been a cut and paste. I would have given you all the different things to put in the right places. But today, I think it's probably easier to just show you the answers and you can write and draw them in. So here is the answers, the decibel scale, which you can copy in. Pause the video and copy those in. So boys, here's the fun bit for you today. Now you've finished all that work and you've got an understanding of your ear and the decibel scale. Have a look on Google or some other search engine and see if you can find a decibel meter either for your PC or your smartphones if you have one. Most of them are free. I really wouldn't pay for one. Check with your parents as well. It would be fun for you to show them. But you can download an app and start using it and measuring loudness around your house. A good experiment to do in the house is measure the loudness of different things. Be good to hear your feedback on that. If anybody does it, please email me and let me know how you get on. Okay, hope you've had lots of fun and hope you have a good Easter break. I'm sure a few of you will be emailing me with your work today, and stay safe. Bye from Mr. Thompson and Mr. Smith.